Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Wallet Pro Tips step by step clearly. To set up Samsung Wallet, begin by ensuring your device is compatible with the app. Open the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. Search for Samsung Wallet and tap on the app in the search results. If you haven't installed it yet, select the Install button and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, locate the Samsung Wallet icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. You will be prompted to sign in to your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. After signing in, the app may request permission to access your location and other necessary services. Allow those permissions to ensure the app functions properly. Next, you can set up your payment method by tapping on Add Payment Method. Choose between adding a credit card, debit card, or linking to your PayPal account. Enter your payment details as instructed, and verify them as prompted. Samsung Wallet may also ask to link your membership or loyalty cards for additional benefits. To do this, select the Add Loyalty Card option and scan or enter the details manually. If you have any gift cards, you can add them in a similar manner. To enhance security, consider setting up biometric authentication such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Navigate to the Settings menu within the app and find the security options. Follow the prompts to activate your preferred security method. Now, you're ready to use Samsung Wallet for contactless payments and managing your cards. To make a purchase, simply open Samsung Wallet and select your payment card. Hold your device near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. Regularly check for updates in the app to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. Explore the additional features, like storing tickets or boarding passes, for more convenience. With these steps, you're set for a seamless experience with Samsung Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.